Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a sleeping Squirtle. So we've drawn Squirtle really happy and excited and energetic, but today we're going to draw him taking a little nap. Because Pokemon get tired sometimes too. So he has like these slightly curved lines for his eyes, two little lines above the eyes for his eyebrows, and then two little slanted lines for the nostrils. So once we've drawn all that, that's all we got for the face. Then it's on to the head. So the head isn't quite a circle. It's curved on top and then it kind of comes down to a little bit of a point at the bottom. And then once we've got that, we can go ahead and draw his shell here. So we have this line that curves, goes down, and comes back up. And then we'll draw this curved line right here. Alright, we're almost done here. We just gotta add a little bit more to the shell. Like that. And then to really make it look like a shell, we're gonna add these shapes here for the scales on his turtle shell. There we go. And you can add more, you can add less. It's totally up to you. And then we're just gonna draw his little arms out to the side. He's really taking a nap. He's super tired. So here's one arm. Yep. Bottom of his shell. His arms and legs are just poking out of there. So here's his foot. We'll bring it back in there. And then we can draw his little tail. I like to think of it as like a squirrel tail. So we're going to draw that squirrel tail. We'll whirl. Kind of like a lollipop, and then back in. And then for added effect, we're gonna draw these little Z's to really show that he's sleeping. He is snoozing. And then from there you can color him in. He's blue with the brown shell. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.